Hey, what is up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're kind of bored with this whole coronavirus thing. Stay at home, stay at work, don't visit stuff. So we came up with an idea. Lately we reviewed the Ferrari F430 on Daily Drives, which is my other channel where we review cars and different things and so on that doesn't kind of suit this one. And we drove the Ferrari F430 that's there. I don't know if you can see it. And it is very loud. And I wonder if it's louder than the Hellcat. So we're gonna go find out. Yep, it's really hot today, so the Ram is inside, so I need to get that out first. What? Shut up! I gotta get these two cars out, but I need to move the Bentley as well, which is a W12. We'll also be reviewing that soon, so make sure to subscribe to Daily Drives. Up somewhere there. Okay, first things first, the Bentley. Gotta move this. Oh my god, this interior is beautiful. Let's go into reverse. Try to not hit the Ferrari or the Hellcat or the truck, damaging the Bentley, because that would not be a good day. Look at that. Look how massive the truck is and how small the F430, because this thing has like a really wide angle. Look at that V8 motor. Yeah. Oh, it works this time. That's great. And now we shall proceed to cold start both of these cars. The Hellcat has headers and pretty much a stock exhaust. Ferrari F430 has straight pipe headers and an exhaust. And also sounds a little bit like an F1 car. The V8 era, not the crap we have now. Alright, so you're gonna start the Ferrari, I'm gonna start the Hellcat. This isn't a good day, I don't know what is. Alright, we got the two cars set up and we pulled them out of the tunnel, so yeah, it's not, you don't get that reverb from the inside of the warehouse. And yeah, let's see who's louder. So I'm gonna put the camera here and we'll see. Time to run. Charlie, time to run. So the keen-eyed viewer might know, one, I did change my t-shirt because it's another day, and two, is that something's wrong with the Hellcat. It's kind of doing this, look at it. So this apparently is a fault with these Hellcats. I've checked the forums and a lot of people have been having this issue, and even if I start it, the LED lights work, the turning signal works, but the main lamp doesn't. So I had to look online and apparently this is happening to a lot of Hellcats, so we need to find a solution to deal with it. Hopefully all the other lights work, so we don't need a new housing for it, but probably new bulbs. So I don't know if I want to go for halogen or go for LEDs. That will require a little bit more work, but could be better for longevity. Let me know down in the comment section if you had an issue like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also subscribe to Daily Drives, where you get to see the Bentley next week, as well as the Ferrari, and also a Mercedes Koenig we did, a wide body 80s car. Pretty sick stuff. Check it out. All right, take care.